There are three main types of onions we commonly eat: the popular white onion, the red onion, perfect for salads, and the flavorful shallot. Today we're focusing on the star of our kitchen, the white onion. Hello, I'm Chef Tigo. Based on FDA data, I'm here to show you scientifically proven ways to protect and maintain your health. White onions are known for their high moisture content and crunchy texture. Compared to other varieties, they become exceptionally sweet when cooked, making them the perfect base for various American dishes such as BBQ sauces, soups, and sautes. However, be cautious when eating them raw. The raw alkaline components and sulfur compounds that give white onions their sharp taste can severely irritate the stomach lining. Medical data shows that if you have a sensitive stomach or acid reflux, raw onions can trigger heartburn, so it's highly recommended to cook them. Then, how should we store white onions? Because of their high moisture content, it's best to keep them in a mesh bag in a cool, well-ventilated space at room temperature. If they are already peeled, dry them completely and store them in an airtight container in the fridge to prevent them from turning mushy.
Chef Tigo highly recommends this.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. See you next time with more healthy data. Stay healthy.